Alright, here we go. We got the helmet on GoPro. Send it. What the hell is that? Is that a dog? Is that one of my dogs? What the hell? Dude, there's a dog right here. What the hell?
Is it yours?
No. There ain't no cops over here, babe. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Dog is coming over here. What the hell? I don't want to scare him. He's just chilling, poor boy. Hey, boy. Hey. Oh, he's probably cold. Poor boy. He'll be alright. Let's just drift a little bit. One-handed drifting. Oh. The guy's looking at me at the gas station. He's like, what the fuck? The guy's drifting? I'm swinging that hoe. Oh shit! I almost went off road. Don't tell me that was perfect. Don't tell me that. Bro, that was so nice. I'm done. That was dope. That was dope. And then we parked the car. And then we parked the car like nothing even happened. Yeah. Shit. I think right there we're good. We just hit a little bit of snow. No, check engine lights, bro. Watch, it's gonna start right back up. Bro, this thing is God. Little seatbelt sensor, ain't nothing. Bro, that was dope. That was dope. Honda. Oh shit. Check engine light came on. It's probably for the same thing. That was dope. That was sick. Alright, cut it.